Dr. Adamid here. Let's go over foam rolling of the calf muscle, which can help reduce pain and discomfort, the recovery from exercise, and improve overall flexibility. To perform this exercise, what you'll do is take the leg of involvement and take the foam roll and position it right on the belly of the calf muscle itself. By bending the other foot and placing on the floor, you'll be able to gently lift your hips off the floor, bridging and rolling back and forth over the calf muscle itself. You'll do this about 10 to 15 times back over the calf muscle itself. To hit a few different angles, you can also turn your toes out or in while rolling to get more motion and mobility in the calf muscle and find more restriction or adhesions while rolling it out. As you've gone back and forth and warmed up the calf muscle, you can also return to one of those tender spots or adhesions and apply direct pressure on it for about 10 to 15 extra seconds. If you'd like, you can also cross your leg to apply slightly more pressure on it to reduce that tension that you find. You can do this stretch multiple times a day to warm up the muscles, help improve flexibility, and definitely overall recovery from your fitness and exercises. I hope you find this stretch helpful and useful, and I'll see you soon.